Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 7th May 2024. In this video, let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for monthly income trade and weekly income trade. They are nothing but swing or positional income trades. Even before the generation, a small announcement. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply-demand zone price action. All the training videos are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. And from our channel homepage, click on this community tab. Here you can find a post and having a link that will take you to the training videos. Just click on this YouTube link. Now you are getting into the playlist supply demand zone price action course. Here you have all the training videos. You have over 57 training videos so far. Just scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in that channel. Now let's get into the report generation. So we are generating the report with the help of NeoStock software, supply demand zone top-down analysis strategy builder. The first report we are going to generate bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. For monthly income trade, entry time frame is daily. For bullish trade setup, entry zone should be demand zone. And in the third row, the parameter bullish or bearish trade setup in daily time frame, because this is our entry time frame. Daily time frame, I am selecting the value bullish. With this we can generate the report, but I want to set 3 additional filters. In my first filter, I don't want to set the pierced zones. I don't want pierced zones. So for that, we have a filter called pierced count. Look into the last parameter in this space. So entry time frame we need to set. Entry time frame is daily. So daily demand zone, sir. Because you selected entry zone as a demand zone, this filter is applied to the demand zone, daily demand zone. So I am setting the minimum value 0, maximum value 0, which indicates the pierced count should be 0. Pierced count 0 means the zone is not pierced. So we want to trade only the zones are not pierced. And the second filter, zone achievement. So I am selecting the value VOZ, violated opposing zone. Because our zone achievement should be violated opposing zone. Then only we can confirm the strong institutional order flow will be there in that zone. And the minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. So with these filters, we are generating. So this is the filtered list. All these stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. See, I'll be giving you only few seconds time and then move on to the next report, or maybe I will be further scrolling down. So you need to pause the video and you can study these stocks or any of your favorite stocks. And you can also draw the zones in your charts by taking the timestamps from leg in and leg out, and also the number of base candles in between leg in and leg out. That way you can draw the zones. In case if you don't know how to understand this report, please complete lesson 21.1, the training lesson. So in that lesson, I clearly explained each and every column, each and every parameter and their abbreviations. Everything I explained. So please go through that video in case if you did not complete. In the same video, I also explained how you can draw the zones in TradingView by taking the references of these leg in timestamp and leg out timestamp and base candles. Okay, let me scroll down. So 27 stocks are filtered which are supporting bullish trade setup. Now let me generate bearish trade setup for monthly income trade. So I'm going back. monthly income trade entry time frame is daily. For bearish trade setup, entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup in daily time frame, now I need to change the value to bearish. And all the three filters what we set, they are still remain same, but here the filters will be applied to supply zone. Earlier they are applied to demand zone. Now they are applied to the supply zone because our entry zone is supply zone. Now let me filter the stocks. So 3 stocks are filtered. Currently these 3 stocks only supporting bearish trade setup for monthly income trade. Okay. So now let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for weekly income trade. For weekly income trade, entry time frame is 75 minutes. First report is we are generating bullish trade setup. So demand zone I am selecting. And in bullish or bearish trade setup, this time in 75 minutes time frame, we are selecting the value bullish. And also we need to set 3 filters for 75 minutes time frame. The first filter is we don't want pierced zone. So pierced count in 75 minutes time frame. I am setting minimum value 0, maximum value 0. And also zone achievement, we are setting VOZ, violated opposing zone. And the minimum odd enhancer score should be 12 for bullish or bearish trade setups. Now let me generate the report. So 18 stocks are filtered. All these 18 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for weekly income trade. Now I will generate a bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. I am going back. So bearish trade setup weekly income trade entry time frame is 75 minutes, but entry zone should be supply zone. And in bullish or bearish trade setup parameter in 75 minutes time frame, now I need to change the value to bearish. And all the 3 filters what we said, they still remain same, but this time these filters are applied to supply zone. Now let me generate the report. So 5 stocks are filtered. These 5 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. So these are the bullish and bearish trade setup stocks. Now for the last report, let us generate the stop buffers based on daily ATR. So this is the daily ATR. This column is having daily ATR values for each stock. And 15% ATR you have to use for monthly income trade. 10% ATR you have to use it for weekly income trade. And also please remember, the first 17 in this list are indices, sectorial indices. Remaining all are equity stocks. But we have taken from F&O segment. So let me scroll down. In each scroll, I'll be giving you only few seconds time. So you need to pause the video and refer your stock. So I'm scrolling this list down. This is the end of the report. Hope this information will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.